Tired of your precious iPhone photos being trapped when you switch to Android? Don't worry, moving those memories is easier than you think, and we're going to show you how in just a few simple steps. First, let's talk about Google Photos. If you don't have it on your iPhone, download the app from the App Store and open it up. Sign in with your Google account, the same one you use on your Android phone. Next, tap your profile picture, then tap Photos Settings. Then tap Backup and Sync and make sure Backup and Sync is turned on. This uploads all your iPhone photos to Google's cloud. Now, on your Android phone, open the Google Photos app and sign in with that same Google account. Give it a few minutes or hours depending on your internet speed and how many photos you have. Boom! All your iPhone photos are now on your Android phone. Another option is using a cloud storage service like Dropbox. Download the app onto both your iPhone and Android. On your iPhone, upload all the photos you would like. Then, on your Android, download all of those photos from Dropbox. Finally, you can connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable on your computer. Find your iPhone as a device and access the Photos folder. Transfer the photos from your iPhone's folder to a folder on your computer. Then, disconnect your iPhone, connect your Android phone, and copy the photos from your computer to a folder on your Android phone. And there you have it. 3 easy methods to transfer your photos from your iPhone to your new Android phone. You can kiss those transfer woes goodbye.